Hi, my name is Kerim Benoua and I'm the founder of Gustav Grün. We are offering vegan and vegetarian food, and we did this quite risky step back in the days because we just thought that it's time to get something which is quite healthy and less fat. We've got many customers. There are old people coming here, grandmas, police officers, hipsters, students, craftsmen. Everybody's loving this food. Cleanliness and hygiene was very important for us because we are selling fresh and healthy food, and it has to be clean. As you can see, it's quite busy here, and we need a warewasher which is very fast, clean and easy to handle. Miele does not simply sell a product, they also offer the right consumables like rinse aid or detergent, which you need in everyday business.